Welcome back. MLG Flappy Bird this time on my tablet. Cause I'm bored. So yeah, let's do this. Oh yeah. Me, Snoop Dogg. Oh yeah, another one. That's why you're saying it. Oh dad. Illuminati metal. Let's go again. Yeah. Oh yeah, Mountain Dew. That's what I'm talking about. Let's do this. Can I get Sonic? Sonic! There we go! Sonic in the bottom corner is like, what's up? This is also probably going to be a short video because I don't have much time on my phone while I'm having to record this. Ooh.
Damn, son.
Well, that'll be that. 117. High school is actually 412. Tell me if you want to see more games like this or more of this. So, yeah. Bye. Have a wonderful day.